This is a final video to fix Xbox game recording audio out of sync. Are you also facing this strange problem where your gameplay sounds come late or early in your recordings? It can ruin a whole video, and many players get confused. This issue happens when the Xbox capture system struggles to match the game sound with the video frame rate. Sometimes background apps, slow storage, or system lag also cause this problem. You might have already tried other fixes from YouTube or social media, but most of them feel too long, too confusing, or full of settings that do not make sense. So today I will share a simple trick that works fast. Many viewers from Rexish say this method helps them fix the sync problem without touching any advanced settings. Here is an easy trick. First, close every extra app running in the background. Then open your Xbox capture settings and change the recording quality to a slightly lower option. This reduces the load on your system and helps the audio match the video. Now restart your console and record a short clip to test. Most of the time, the sound stays in perfect sync after this. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial, just tell me in the comments. Rexish will make a simple guide for you.